Right now at 5:30, Parkland family visits to the 1200 building and Marjory Stoneman Douglas shooting continue this week.
And Max Schachter, father of Parkland murder victim Alex Schachter, sharing to Twitter yesterday this picture. This is an evidence box retrieved from the school, adding he was told the biohazard sticker means it has his son's blood on it and could have bullet holes as well, adding he right now is just not strong enough yet to open up that box. This, as a civil court judge today grants a motion to allow for the recording of a reenactment in that building. And we've learned that live blanks will be fired. Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live in Parkland with more on this. Christina.
And the judge, this is in the civil case, telling both parties they need to get these reenactments done before kids return to campus here. She also says there needs to be sufficient notice once scheduled to nearby community members.
I am going to allow for the reenactment. I want to make sure that this is done before school starts.
The civil court judge granting Parkland plaintiff's attorney David Brill's motion to conduct a video and audio recorded reenactment inside the 1200 building at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School, still preserved as a crime scene since the 2018 school shooting.
To demonstrate that, contrary to Peterson's assertions, he could and did hear the gunshots.
Brill said the reenactment would parallel the Parkland shooters' movements inside in relation to ex-Parkland deputy Scott Peterson outside. They will use the same AR-15 style rifle the Parkland shooter used, firing full metal jacket blanks.
We don't want to leave anything to chance and allow Peterson to escape justice in this civil case like he did in the criminal one.
Scott Peterson was acquitted by a criminal jury, now realizes that he's got a hole in his case. And so what he wants to do is essentially make a movie, a self-serving documentary.
Scott Peterson's attorney, Michael Piper.
Blanks do not sound anything at all like live rounds.
Also expressed concern about the impact to community members.
Setting off a bunch of gunshots at Marjory Stoneman Douglas is going to affect the community, the surrounding community.
Really remarkably ironic, is concerned about the trauma-inducing event of a reenactment to residents so far away. But gee whiz, Mr. Peterson had no clue that there were more than 2 or 3 gunshots.
The judge today agreeing with the defense argument that they should now also be allowed to conduct a reenactment.
I want justice.
Linda Beagle-Schulman, mom of Parkland murder victim Scott Beagle and a plaintiff in the consolidated civil case, telling us today.
If it has to be the reenactment of the murder, then it has to be the reenactment. We need to have justice.
So when exactly will this be scheduled? That is the topic of conversation at a status hearing next week. But once again, you can get a sense of that swift timetable because the judge says it needs to happen before classes resume here next month. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.